Lojistic is a free platform that helps businesses control and reduce shipping costs. No plugins or development time needed, and no subscription upgrades required. It's free, fast, and really useful. Let's have a look. Starting on the home page, get a quick snapshot of distribution trends, key shipping stats, and a few of your specific savings opportunities. Everything defaults to the previous 4 weeks. Adjust the dates here by using preset date ranges or select a custom date range. Let's navigate to the dashboards. We call them perspectives, and they're listed out here. Air versus ground will call attention to your expensive air shipments that would have been guaranteed to arrive in the same number of days, or faster, had you used ground service instead. And you'll see how much you would have saved. Click here to download the shipment level details. Get a quick visual of your potential savings over time, visualized in the graph. Click to expand. Even download the graph in your preferred file format to share with others. Scroll to see additional detail and expand for more info. Within each perspective is a powerful feature called Compare Mode. It allows you to quickly contrast any insight over 2 different periods of time. You can also compare your different carriers or companies. UPS and FedEx make mistakes. When errors appear on your invoices, you may be owed some money back. Your Lojistic account automatically scans for billing errors. Within the Audit and Refund recovery perspective, you can review your potential refunds. If things look interesting, you can download the error report here and use our handy do-it-yourself guide to chase that money down yourself. Or, if you'd like Lojistic to handle the recovery process on your behalf, simply click Turn on Recovery and we'll do the rest. There are lots of ways to reduce shipping costs. See some of your opportunities in the Cost Reduction Opportunities perspective. Check out saving opportunities specific to you, such as how much better your shipping rates could be, carrier invoice errors, address corrections fees that you can fix, and other issues that bloat your invoices. Identify correctable errors, quantify your opportunity, then take action. Download the details for each cost reduction opportunity here. The service level usage perspective summarizes your service level composition and the associated costs and quantities. Quickly review total shipping costs, total packages sent, and an allocation of totals to each service level. Scroll to see the effective discounts you're getting. Expand here for carrier-specific detail. There's a surcharge for nearly everything. At least it feels that way. The Surcharge Summary perspective will illuminate exactly how much of your total shipping costs are a result of surcharges, and which ones. Easily keep tabs on the surcharges and fees that are eating your profit. Transportation spend gives a high-level overview of your shipping costs. Monitor trends. Assess the impact of surcharges and fees and see exactly where your money is going. Monitor the impact of your carrier's dimensional or DIM pricing by keeping an eye on the difference between the actual weight and the billed weight of your shipments. Need to run a report? We've got you covered. Here's where you can create a custom report and have it scheduled to hit your inbox on a recurring basis. Choose from popular reports here. Need to reference a past report? No problem. It's all in your report history. Create your free Lojistic account today. Your name, email address, and UPS, FedEx, or DHL credentials are all you need. And as always, we're just a phone call away if you want some extra help to send costs packing.